morning, folks. Another start to the day here. And Mr. Bob. That's Mr. Bob. He's the electrician.
Hi.
He's the one overhauling the ballast motor here.
Yes.
I'll flip around and show you.
Yeah, it was open yesterday.
Yeah, I couldn't get it. But he cleans all the motor and stuff like that in there. Checks, make sure everything's still within spec. Well, so as you see, it's not a small job by any means, right? So that's a ballast pump overhaul motor. Let me rephrase that. Yeah, flip it back. The chain falls, and then she's good for another season. So that's the ballast motor being overhauled. Like I said, he cleans the bushing with electrical cleaner and stuff like that. All the stuff, motor stuff inside. Other than that, hope you all have a good day.